DIY yourself. Today we're diving into that captivating world of home improvement. If you're on a mission to boost your property's value with some rewarding hands-on projects, we have some fantastic ideas for you. Stick around as we delve into the top 5 DIY upgrades you can tackle to enhance your home and explore essential considerations. Ready for that exciting journey? Let's get started. First on our list is a timeless classic, fresh paint. Imagine the transformative power of a fresh coat of paint in any space. When choosing colors, opt to neutral hues as they offer broad appeal to prospective buyers. Neutral tones also create a clean slate, making it easier for potential buyers to envision themselves in your home. Thus, that increases its attractiveness. Next, let's self-satisfying venture of landscape enhancements. You won't believe how simple tasks such as trimming overgrown bushes, planting vibrant seasonal flowers, and adding a fresh layer of mulch can dramatically elevate your home's curb appeal. First impressions remain pivotal, and investing in your exterior aesthetics is truly worthwhile. A little attention to landscape can also suggest a well-maintained property overall. That attracts more buyers. Let's move indoors. Consider a minor kitchen update. Dreaming of refreshing that kitchen? That doesn't mean draining your finances. Small changes like replacing outdated cabinet hardware with sleek, modern designs, painting cabinets, and an even inviting color, those can instantly revitalize the space. It's a surefire way to impress potential buyers without overspending and make your kitchen feel more updated and welcoming. Our fourth recommendation? Well, that involves a quick but impactful bathroom facelift. Quick, cost-effective updates such as recalking tiles, upgrading your stylish faucets or shower heads to adding a chic, new mirror. Those can breathe new life into a bathroom. Bathrooms are personal. They are spaces, and they need these updates, and they can add a touch of luxury, cleanliness, and making the overall difference during home tours. Last, but certainly not least, focus on lighting improvements, which can significantly elevate a room's ambience. Replacing old light fixtures with contemporary designs can instantly brighten the space, add a touch of elegance and sophistication. And good lighting isn't just about utility. It sets the mood and highlights your home's best features. Now, you may be pondering, should I dive into these projects solo, or is it wiser to hire a professional? Let's weigh the advantages and disadvantages of both paths. DIY pros and cons? Well, the pros, undertaking DIY projects enable significant cost savings, the joy of personal achievement, they're flexible in project timing, and there's a unique satisfaction in seeing your own efforts improve your home. The cons, however, those can be time-consuming and require the right skills and avoid costly mistakes. Without that proper knowledge and experience, some of those projects might not meet the expected results. Let's look at a professional contractor pro and con. Pro, professionals boost that speed and efficiency, offering up quick, quality workmanship and access to specialized tools that their expertise can deliver flawless finish, reliability that might be harder to achieve alone. The cons? Well, that's obvious. The option can lead to higher costs, potential scheduling constraints, and a reduced sense of personal involvement. You'll need to balance the budget with the expertise required. There's much to consider whether you're rolling up your sleeves for a DIY adventure or seeking out the expertise of a professional. Each of these home upgrades can make a significant difference in your property's value and visual appeal. Remember, every smart improvement today could translate into impressive returns when it's time to sell. Upgrading your home is truly an investment in your future. Follow me for more valuable real estate insights, and happy renovating.